Hey friends, it's Trisha here on Freedom Hill. You are looking at the ceiling in our daughter's room. It's a drop ceiling and it's a large room, about 15 by 25. We are putting a drywall ceiling, removing this drop ceiling this weekend and putting in a drywall ceiling. So I wanted to show you the ceiling before, and that is one upcoming project. Our daughter will be out of town this weekend, so it's the perfect opportunity to do it. And now on to the next upcoming project. This is our sunroom slash family room. This is also a very large room, about 15 by 25. Our next project after our daughter's ceiling is drywall this room. Right now it has 3 different kinds of paneling on the walls, and it's just really ugly. So we're going to replace the paneling with drywall. Right now the room's a bit of a mess because we're already organizing things. This is our very informal family room. It has a door that goes to the living room. And this is what we have going on. So we are going to take down the paneling. The walls are studded behind the paneling, so we won't have to build any framing. And we will put up drywall. We're painting it yellow. Also, all the windows in this room are being replaced. So this drywall job has to be completed by June 24th. So as you can see, we have plenty of jobs coming up here on Freedom Hill. There's Winston. Yes, Winston. I guess he's bored with the whole process. Anyway, so those are our 2 current upcoming projects. We have a 3rd and a 4th in waiting. We'll be doing the backsplash in the kitchen, and we'll be building a deck out back. So I just wanted to give you a hint of coming projects, and thanks for your interest. Thanks for joining us here on Freedom Hill.